We are in a house, so there's a warning, emergency warning sign alert. So there's a warning sign. They say they are possible at 4:20. There's a tornado coming. This weather, if it's sunny or windy, photos afternoon. See. From here is nice weather. It's getting dark and windy, plus cloudy and clear. So this side is cloudy. So there's a chance or a possible of tornado for today. Even it's sunny. See. And the laundry. It's open. So let's see for now. So what it's the real story for today this afternoon. Okay, sige guys, and just click the button, the notification bell, and subscribe, and plus click like, share, and comment for updating weather updates this forecast this afternoon about the tornado issue. Let's see. So see you guys. See you later. So let's see what's the best news for today. Okay, see you guys again.